Welcome back to Mod Wheels, and we got another unboxing today. I've been trying to kind of knock these out kind of quick just to try to catch up with where the boxes are at. The first two came really quickly in December, and now this next one is Power Trip. Yeah, the Power Trip box, and those just got sent to me. So we're about a week and a half out, so we're almost caught up. The next box will be cut up and it'll be good. But for this one, we're just a touch behind, which is totally fine. And if you haven't noticed behind me, I got a bunch of empty protectors. There is one guy. That's what we're going for. So we're getting all the car culture boxes. I got the subscription from One Stop just to try to get as many gold cars as I can. Decided I wanted to collect some chases, which, like I've said before, the black ones don't really do it for me. These gold ones, they're sick, and I want to get all 8 of them. And as you see, we got spots. It's gonna happen. And if you'll watch the last video, we did not get the gasser, but I did get my hands on one. I had to trade for it, so I had to give up my RWB Porsche and a couple other premiums to get it, but we got it. So it's part of the game. It needs to go up on the wall here. Let's see if I can doing this backwards. A snap? No, I'm not doing that YouTube shit. All right, so we got that one. Maybe I've been seeing some BMWs posted online that people have been finding them already, and as of right now, I've seen 0 or seen anybody post any in my area. So I'm hoping we're good. Paperwork out of here. We got a giant box here, which you guys can see. Giant box, and of course the packing peanuts. Giant box for our small boxes. Peanuts out of there. So got high hopes for this. I think I covered everything. And this is going to be the R case, and this is, where's that at? I'm learning here. They cover the case. Oh, okay. So this would be the A case, A1. This one is covered on this sticker. One Stop, hopefully that doesn't have anything. No, it doesn't have anything pertaining to me. So it is the R mix, the like I said, the Power Trip. You got 2 of them. We'll just put this one to the side here. Let's see if we can get some chases here. Hopefully we got one. And we do have if you've seen the videos, we have a gold counter that'll be up in that corner. I think I need to make a little different one. So I think it needs to be, since the counter's at 2, but we got 2, if you've seen, 2 of these guys, 2 of the wagons, 0 of these. So maybe I'll figure something else out. I'll pop it up here. I'm looking the wrong way this whole time. It'll be up there. We don't want to see anything in this box. I think I need to adjust here just a little bit. Maybe that. Which way are they going? So we're gonna start on one side. Try not to pull the chase out the rip. There's the cars. First one. There we go. Mercedes CLK 63 AMG Black Series. Probably not a keeper for me. I don't like the dual headlights. The single headlight AMG car is pretty cool. It's not a bad car though. Not a bad car, just not totally my thing. I should have another one. Here we go. There's that guy in white. The white does look pretty good. I'm a fan. I don't know which one this replaces, so this is, I don't know, it'll be fun. And once again, if this was 2025, we'd have a chase, but it's not. And this is the 99 Ford SVT Lightning. Very cool truck. I know, probably talked about this before. I'm a big truck guy. I do like trucks. And the Lightning, all black, definitely, man, I might have to keep this one. In my head, I was thinking about not keeping it just because I've actually done a custom with the black lightning, black wheels, same setup, a little different wheel style that I went with, but you know what? All the actually, I think I did hear the lightnings were the ones that replaced with the gold, so we need to go back the other way, grab from the back. So then we are moving on to the BMW M3. It's not going to be a keep for me. Oh man, that has the new wheels though. The new, new RPF ones. Those are actually really cool, man. I want to kind of keep that just for the wheels. It's okay. I'm not a big green car fan. The green and tan interior, not my style. I know it's probably plenty of people's style. And another one. Do I need to adjust this? I keep going down. Sorry if my camera work has been terrible. And we got the can't talk. 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. Once again, something I'm not too interested in. It does look pretty cool. These cars in 1:1 scale are pretty sick for an SUV. They usually get down pretty good at the drag strip, and I can always get down with that. But as far as keeping for, oh no, we got an interruption. Keeping for my own collection, I probably won't. Oh my gosh. Right in the middle of it. Hey, you want to help? I guess we're helping. Huh? Come on. We'll do the rest with you on my lap, huh? Needy kitties. Okay, cat. Alright, well, let's see what else we got in here. Oh yeah, the SVO. I almost forgot. SVO Mustang. This thing's pretty cool. This one, I'm definitely keeping at least one of these. Dig those. I dig the God, I keep saying SVT on the truck, but the SVOs, those are cool ones. I wouldn't mind though, Hot Wheels, if you made a notchback. So maybe one of these days. Where did I put this? Over here? Sure. Let's have one more SVO. There she is. One's looking good. And let's pull this from the back. What do we think? Chase or nah? Ah, dang it. I mean, we got two lightnings. That's neat. No chase this time in that box, but we have another box that we will just try to rip through. All right, so just a quick little interruption. I had a problem with this camera. It stopped recording about this time, so I won't have the front camera for the rest of the video, unfortunately. And I know the audio is really crap with that camera, so sorry about that. Hopefully next time I'll have that fixed so that doesn't happen again. So we're just gonna have to go with it and hopefully do better on the next one. Real quick, hopefully. Please, I need this. I don't want to trade more of my stuff. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. This is getting this first car out. That one doesn't want to come out. We'll go towards the front. Come on. All right, I just skipped over another CLK, another Benz, and Benz. So we know the truck is next, so I'm gonna go back to the other side for the BMW. BMW Trackhawk. And Trackhawk. So this should be SVO. SVO. I'm running out of room. SVO. Nope, I pulled a truck. Ooh. Oh boy, which one? I think this is SVO. Yes. Last shot. Last shot. Let's turn it backside.
Let's go gambling!
Ah.
Aw, dang it.
Well, that's no fun. We had a really good start. No BMW this time. That sucks. Boo. Well, there you have it. I guess we started off really strong and not so much. Now we got a bunch of cars we got to sell. So if anybody wants to buy, hopefully they'll be gone by the time this video's up. We'll see how fast we can do that. But anyways, another goose egg. So here we go, gold counter. Still at only 2. If I can find it. Jeez. Maybe we can do better on the next one. Next one, fingers crossed. I'm gonna need some help on that one, so give me some cross fingers in the chat, or I don't know what you guys do. I'm gonna have to cut this out. This is stupid. Anyways, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one, and hopefully we'll have some better luck on the next box.